Hey family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar General haul, deals that you can do now. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. So yeah, went to Dollar General doing the deals you can do now. What I'm doing is that one coupon that we all got, that 3 off of 15, that you can get either Easter candy or you actually can get food items, pop, soda, whatever you want to call it. And I think it's like maybe candy too, which is, like the Easter candy. So this is my last coupon. I only got 2. I thought I had 3 of the 3 off of 15s, but I didn't. I only had 2. I tried to actually get another coupon for another one of my for my daughter's card, but it would not work. Okay, so I just left it alone. So what I did was I went in. I said we do need some drinks at the house. Okay, and then I needed some more things. So I was like, let me go ahead, and I went through Dollar General scanning things, trying to see what would attach to it, what wouldn't attach to it. Because on my when I did on the other video that I made with the cereal, I already knew that attached. So I just went in the store on that video, which you can view that video. Also, I will link that so you can actually view that deal also with the cereal. And then I had I did have bread, but I don't think I put the bread in the video, but I did have bread too. So let's go ahead and get to the video. So the first thing I got was 3 12-pack of drinks. Okay, so I got the Canada Dry, the Sunkissed, they all cans, and another Canada Dry. Okay, they are on sale, 3 for $12. There is a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching. Okay, the next thing I got was these Brisk. They got drinks. Y'all, these Brisk drinks, don't sleep on them because they are so good. The only one I haven't tried is this fruit punch. So I got the sweet tea, the lemonade, the strawberry melon, and the fruit punch. These are all $1 each. Okay, $1 each. But the good thing about it is they are buy 3, get 1 free. Okay, buy 3, get 1 free. The next thing I got was the Philadelphia cream cheese. All right, these are 2 for $4, but also there's no digital coupons for these. These are just 2 for $4, but they're $2.75 a piece, but they're on sale. That I'm getting them for is 2 for $4. Okay, make sure that you check your expiration dates when you're actually getting food items and also drinks from Dollar General. Okay, so after she scanned everything, I put my telephone number in there. My subtotal came to $16, which that is not bad. I don't think that's bad. But this also, I forgot to tell you all, this coupon expires tomorrow, which is Friday on the 15th. Total is $16. You know, everybody's taxes is different. Let me show you my receipt. So there is the Philly cream cheese. Oh, and I did get a Captain Crunch. I'm sorry. I forgot about the Captain Crunch, y'all. I had to eat me. You know, I always have to eat me something to drink something. So the Captain Crunch was $1. If you don't want to get the Captain Crunch, then your subtotal would have been $15. Then there is the Brisk drinks. And then there's the Canada Dry and the other Canada Dry and Sunkissed. And there's your subtotal, $16. Everybody's taxes is different. And then Your total savings is $12.35. And there is a 5 off of 25 for Saturday. All right. So this right here, y'all, is my Dollar General haul. Deals that you can do now. If you would just like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.